Open your ears and then listen to me. Have you ever asked yourself why you are not winning while other people are winning? Have you ever asked yourself why you are not progressing while other people are progressing? In today's video, I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you are still stuck while other people are winning. If this is your first time to come across my video, consider tapping on the follow button and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in my bio. So I want you to stay until the end of this video because reason number 6 is going to blow your mind. So pick a pen and a book and then let's dive into it. Number 1, the first reason why you are not winning is because you don't have a clear vision. You don't have a clear vision. The Bible says that where there is no vision, the people perish. A man or a woman without vision will always collapse, will always perish. A country without vision will always perish. You understand all this? You must have a vision. You should have a reason for you waking up every day. You must have a reason why you wake up every day. Some of you, when you wake up, the first thing you do is you pick your phone, scroll through social media, 6 hours, like you're just on phone. You don't even know what you want in life. That is why you are still stuck. That is why you are not winning like the rest of the people. The people who are winning, they are not smarter than you. They are not smarter than you. We have the same 24 hours. Just that the people who are winning, they know what they want. They have a goal. They know what they want. They know what they want to do with their life. But for you, your life is just there. You're just there. You don't know what you want to do with your life. That is why you are stuck. That is why you're not progressing with anything. That is the first reason. Number 2, the second reason why you are not winning is because you want a faster results. You want to rush the process. You start a business today and then you expect to start making huge profits tomorrow. That is one of the reasons why you're not winning. Then when you don't see the profits coming, you will quit before your breakthrough comes. Can I tell you something? When you plant a seed today, you're not going to harvest it tomorrow. There are processes that the seed has to go through until it ripens, then you harvest it. It has to go through germination, you have to spray it, it has to go through flowering and all that and all that and all that. It is the same thing with life. If you rush the process, you're not going to get your breakthrough. You have to be patient. Wealth is not built overnight. You understand? Wealth is not built overnight. It takes time and patience. Don't rush the process. If you want to win, don't rush the process. If you start a business today, it takes time for you to start seeing profits coming in huge amount. It takes time. Bro, listen, don't rush the process. Trust the process. Be patient and wait until your breakthrough comes. You understand? Don't rush. Don't rush. It takes time. You're not winning because you want a quicker results. You want a quicker results, and then you end up quitting when the results doesn't come. You quit. That is why you are still stuck and your friends are winning. The people who are winning, these are the people who are patient. They know how life is played. This thing called life is a game. You have to be patient and wait until your time comes. You understand? Don't rush. The third reason why you are not winning while your friends are winning is because you fear taking the risk. Let me tell you, comfort zone kills more dreams than failure ever. Comfort zone kills more dreams than failure ever. Stop fearing taking risk. Take the risk and start that business. You keep asking yourself, what if I fail? My question to you is, what if you win? That is how winners behave. You ask yourself, what if I win? You don't ask yourself, what if I fail? What if I lose my money? What if you make that money? You understand? Take the risk and start it. Start with what you have from where you are. That little saving that you have. Do not wait until the money is too much. Then you be like, hey, I can now start. No, that is not a winner's mentality. Winners start with what they have from where they are. You understand? Just start it. You will navigate your way along them. You will learn other things along the way. You understand? Just start. Listen to me. Fear will never go unless you take a move, unless you take a risk. That is when fear will go. Some of you keep saying that, I'm going to wait for the perfect moment. Bro, sister, listen. There is no perfect moment. Perfect moment doesn't exist. Just start from where you are with what you have. That is the third reason why you are not winning. You fear taking the risk. You fear taking the risk. You don't understand? Then number 4, the reason why you are not winning is because you are surrounded by the wrong people. You are surrounded by the wrong people. You are in an environment whereby you are trying to win, but you are surrounded by the wrong people. You hang around with people. I told you about this last time. I told you that energy is contagious. If someone said that, show me your cycle and I will show you your future. If you hang around with 5 broke people, you're going to be the 6th broke person. If you hang around with 4 lazy people, you're going to be the 5th lazy person. Energy is contagious. You understand? Energy is contagious. Winners hang around with winners. Losers hang around with losers. If you want to win, stop hanging around with dream killers. Stop hanging around with lazy people. Stop hanging around with gossipers. Stop hanging around with complainers. People who complain. Sometimes for you to win, you need to change your cycle. You need to change your environment. That is one of the reasons why you are still stuck. That is why you are not progressing. Change your cycle. Change the cycle. You understand all this? This is just simple wisdom that you need to know. Number 5, if you want to win, just like other people, start believing in yourself. Some of you, you're not just winning because you don't have self-belief. Your life is full of self-doubt. You don't believe in yourself. You don't have confidence. Let me tell you something. People will never believe in you unless you start believing in yourself. If you can't believe that you can win, you will never win. You understand? Winning starts in the mind. You must believe in yourself. You must have that strong belief that, hey, I was born to win. I'm not born to lose. Even the Bible itself says that I'm a winner, not a loser. I'm the head, not the tail. You must believe in yourself. You understand? Some of you, you look at other people who are winning and you say, and you speak within yourself that, that guy is born to win. How about you? You're also born to win. You're also born to win. Just that they are winning because they have believed in themselves that, hey, I can also do this. I can also be such a person. Self-belief. Believe in yourself. You understand? Believe that you can arrive. Believe that you can win. That is number 5. If you want to win, start believing in yourself. Then number 6 is what is going to blow your mind. Number 6 is what annoys me so much. So many people have a lot of excuses. You have a lot of excuses. You keep saying that, I was not born in a rich family. Yes, it is true. Some people are born rich. They are born in a rich family. But now, let me ask you, how about the people who are called self-made millionaires? There are so many people who have come from poor backgrounds, but they have made their way through. They have made their way through. They are winning. They are progressing. How about you? How about you stop the excuses and then you start progressing? Can I tell you something? If you can think, then you can create. If you can speak to someone, then you can sell something. So listen to me. If you know that you are able to speak to people, get a product that you can sell to people. Stop making excuses. Some of us, we have very rich people, very rich relatives, but the reason why we are closing deals, the reason why we are winning, it is because we have believed in ourselves and we have stopped the excuses. If you can think, you can create. If you can speak, you can sell something to someone. Stop the excuses and start creating. Some of you like saying that, hey, I don't have capital. There are so many things you can start without capital. They are there. This is a new generation. Social media can make you win a lot in life. You understand? So stop the excuses. Start creating contents on social media. Within a few duration, your channel will get monetized and you'll start making money. You understand? You'll start making money. Stop the excuses. Stop making excuses and start creating. You understand all this? This is a new generation, not the generation of our fathers, whereby you have to struggle. The last one, reason number 7. Some of you, you're not progressing, you're not winning, you are still stuck because you have not yet mastered discipline. Let me tell you, talent can get you started, but discipline will keep you going. Listen to me carefully. You can have the best ideas, you can have the best plans, but if you are not consistent, you will still fall short. You will not progress, you will not win. You understand all these things? Discipline is doing what is needed even when you don't feel like doing it, even when someone else is not seeing you. You understand? Discipline means waking up early, saving that extra shilling that you want to go and use to buy coffee, saving that extra money, you save it. You understand? Discipline is what will make you win. If you have mastered the art of discipline, you are going to win. You will not end up stuck, you will win. You understand? It is discipline that makes people win, not talent. Winners rely on discipline, not motivation. You understand all these things? These are just simple wisdom you need to learn. Simple wisdom, sharp. You understand all these things? So as I conclude, if you have been wondering why your life is not progressing, why you're not winning, go back and look into these 7 reasons one by one, and then just keep believing in yourself, keep growing, and then one day they'll look at you and they'll be like, that is the guy who finally started winning. You understand? You'll join the list of people who are winning. If you follow these 7 things that I've told you, you're going to win. I remain your number 1 coach, Obin.